Hey, and welcome to video number 9. We're going to talk about categories, links, and more. Now, if you go to the live site, by default, if you refresh it, you're going to see like an uncategorized category. But in order to delete that, you actually have to go to posts, go to posts, and delete whatever default post there is. And then you'll see that, it goes to no categories. Now, one thing to note with WordPress is that even though you create a category, it's not going to show up on the live site unless it actually has a post within it. So let's say, for example, okay, by default you see this uncategorized category. If you go to posts and you click on categories, that's how you get to this area. And then if you want to create a category, all you have to do is name the category. We'll just call it crafts, or let's see, scrapbook. We'll call it accessories. The slug is a URL friendly based version of the name. It usually is all lowercase, contains only letters, numbers, and hyphens. So let's say, for example, that this was paper accessories. Then to make it SEO friendly, you would just put paper dash accessories. Now, if I want this category to be, a child category of a parent, you can actually do that here. But I'm just going to do this. Click on Add Category, and I add the category. Now, if I click on the category, as you can see with headspace settings, it enables me to customize the category, with a title and a description, and you can update it. So if I go to the live site, refresh the page, you'll notice it still says no categories. So like I said earlier, you need to create a post, and for this category to appear, there needs to be a post that is associated with this category. And I'll show you that in the area of the video number 11 where we talk about blog posts. But that's just how to add categories, and that's just to remember that the categories are not going to show up unless there is an actual post that is published and live and is connected to that category. The next thing we're going to talk about is links. What are links? Well, if you click on that, you can add links, you can add new link categories, and so forth. People normally use links if you're trying to link to an external page and you want to have it on the sidebar somewhere. So let's say, for example, you might have a section for partners or friends, or cool blog, cool links that you found. So all you have to do is go to links, click on add new, enter the name, enter the external web address, the description, and what category it belongs to. You can add categories here, you can open it in a new window, you can keep it in a new window, and so forth. But I just wanted to show this to you. Most people don't really use this, but if you begin to expand and somebody links to you and you want to link back to them, you can do that by clicking on Add Links.